Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to unbox Redmi A5. So first of all, let's open the box. So here the box is covered like this. After 10 days of rigorous testing, here is my brutally honest Redmi A5 full review. So let's dive into the mobile phone. So here is Redmi A5 and it looks really exclusively standard way. Here the ports and buttons, this is the SIM card to insert the SIM card. And if you wanna know about the SIM card, whether there is the dual SIM card or not, then here I can show you. So here let's check the SIM card tray. And without this SIM card, this mobile phone will not work because I have buy this Airtel exclusive. As you can see here, this is the Airtel exclusive. So I'm just going to insert my SIM card. Okay, there is the dual SIM card, even the memory card. So now let's insert it. Here, there we have inserted, and this is the speaker point. Okay friends, and here is the volume button, power button, then on the down there is the mic and charging point, and here is the headphone point. So let's turn on the mobile phone. Friends, while turning the mobile phone, let's check on the box. So here is the box, and under it we get here the SIM ejector pin, and here we got the adapter on this side. Here is the adapter. Okay, and this is the cable wire. Here is the manual guides. So let's keep this on the side and check the mobile phone specifications. If we look at the mobile phone feature, first of all I would like to talk about the mobile phone, that it brings three color. One is the golden, another is the black, and the last is the blue in color. And I have ordered this mobile phone under the 6,990. And if you look at the RAM, it's 4 GB of RAM and 3 GB of RAM, but I have ordered the 3 GB one, and the storage is 64 GB and 128 GB. There is two variant, as you can see here. I would like to show you under the about phone. Okay, you can check it from here. There is this load IP address, anything, whatever you want to check, you can check it from here. And the display size is the 17.48 centimeter or 6.88 inch. It's HD plus display. And now let's talk about the camera. Friends, when you look at the camera, you can see here, first of all let's check the camera quality. So I have captured some photos right now. Okay, you can even record some videos here. Look out. So the camera quality is good, and here the megapixel of the rear camera is the 32 megapixel, and about the front camera is the 8 megapixel front camera. So friends, under the camera you can even edit the options. As you can see here, there is many options. Ultra HD, there is the Ultra HD camera. This is very good that you get this Ultra HD camera, and it's very clear. Video, photo, portrait mode, night mode, time lapse. Okay, there is many options, and here you can change the quality of the video, and there you will get this auto exposure aspect ratio. You can change the ratio from here. Okay friends, this is how you can change it, the ratio. So now friends, let's check the battery of this mobile phone. I think the battery is 5200 mAh battery type, and the charging support is a 15-watt charging support. Okay, you can check from here the battery, and the smart charging engine is the USB type C, as I have shown you the cable wire. This is the USB type C. So now let's talk about the operating system. And about the operating system friends, there is Android 15 and 2 Android major updates, and it's 4 years of security patches updates in this phone, and you can check it from here. Okay, here is the Android version 15. Okay friends, there is even the model and RAMs. So now let's check the sound quality of this mobile phone. So here is the sounds and vibration, and now let's check the sound. I think the sound is good, but little bit low as the from another devices. Okay, the sound quality is low, but not much. It's okay for the calls and to listen to music. It's okay, it's enough. So now let's look at the quality of the video. So here it is, and now let's increase the brightness. You can zoom in and out. Now let's check the quality. From here you can look it out. It's 1080p and 60. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.